So this is what we're going to be juicing today. We have spinach, ginger, cucumber, apples, mint, turmeric, orange, parsley, red grapes, pineapple. Oh, and I forgot, we got rosemary as well. This is what we're going to be juicing today. But before we start juicing, of course, we got to clean our produce. So we're going to add some apple cider vinegar to the water. This helps to kill any pesticides that may. So for our first recipe, we're going to use 1 whole pineapple, 1 cucumber, about 1 inch of ginger, 4 apples, about a handful of mint. That smells so good. We're going to also have a handful of spinach. We're going to add some rosemary, about 4 sprigs of rosemary. We're not going to do the stems. We're just going to take the leaves off. And then we're going to use about a handful of parsley. That's it. That's recipe number 1. Now, if you suffer with allergies, this is your recipe. We have 2 oranges, 1 cucumber, 3 apples, 2 pieces of turmeric, about 1 inch of ginger, and 1 pineapple. And so in our third recipe is real simple. It's just red grapes. Now, red grapes have anti-cancer properties. They also are good for blood circulation, help to regulate your cholesterol levels, and also helps with your metabolism. And so there you have it. Those are our healing juices for today. So we have our green juice, which is great for detoxification. With this particular recipe, I added 2 herbs. I added rosemary and mint. Now, if you are new to juicing herbs, herbs are very powerful. The taste of them are just as powerful as the aroma. So if this is your first time juicing either of those herbs, I would recommend that you only use half of what I did. So I would recommend you use a half bunch of mint and maybe 1 to 2 sprigs of rosemary. Now those herbs have so many benefits, including with the rosemary, they're really good for memory and concentration, whereas with the mint, they're good for clearing up congestion, great for allergies, and they also help with memory. Then in the middle, we have our delicious allergy relief juice. And then on the end there, we have our delicious grape juice. Now, a lot of people don't know that grape juice are also really good for folks that suffer from allergies. They help with runny nose and help to reduce nasal congestion. So there you have it. Enjoy.